back to another video. Today we're just gonna be doing little jobs. I'm actually milking at night right now. I'll put a pen together. There's a heifer here that's getting pretty close to having her calf, and then should be able to get Brady to water the goats. So stay tuned. Okay, this is that heifer that's bagging up here. I don't know, she's got another, I'm thinking another 2-3 days and she'll have her calf. She bagged up pretty quick, but pretty friendly. You know, kick much. I thought you probably tried putting the milk around her, but I guess we'll find that out later.
So we're out here watering the goats. Oh! Franklin just doesn't like me, I guess. Okay. Yep. And this one's almost full. There's fog in it, so I'm gonna switch it to that one. We got, I don't know how many goats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 goats, but 3 billies. So 11 nannies this year. We're hoping to have a good season of birth season. Move, come on, Goldie. And gosh dang it. Well, that one's starting to fill up with water. There's Franklin. He's 3-legged. Got Remy in the back. Daffodil. A Billy. Milky's that big white one. I don't know what that one's name is. There's Tenny. There's Felicia. Felicia. Daisy, there's Daisy. I've had Franklin for a while. He's a really old goat on our farm. Normally I do this, I don't know, every 3 days or whenever I see that it's empty. And then normally at night when Brandon's milking at night, water them and then go help them. We got him a bale of hay here. And then our grandpa dumps corn silage in here for him, so they've fed him hard, and I don't know, they're pretty good. They're just fun animals to have, I'd say.
Let that cattle panel there.
Alright, so now we gotta dump this out because it's full of, hey Frank. How's your day been? Full of corn salad, just is. You have a couple little containers and then a couple big ones. 2 little ones and 2 big ones. This one I can't fill quite all the way up because it leaks a little. So this one, we got her bred a little earlier, and then that little one, she's bred a little earlier. So Brandon's got a couple clips from the auction about a couple days ago, and we bought this cow, and she didn't really turn out how we expected her, or how we thought she was. So sure what we'll keep her, but she's pretty nice. But, yep, stay tuned.
On shoulder, 2050, put around 382.
All right, another nice, like I said, he said some of these Swiss cows, he said they're just very nice cows. You ever had a Swiss cross, you always want to buy some more. 76 days fresh, udder checks good.
76 days fresh again here, 1500, 1500, about here, 1500 here, about 1500 here, $1,200, get 13, 14, 1500 here, 14, 15, 16, 1500 here, 16, now 16, about 15, 16, about 15, 1600 here, 16, 15, 16, 17, 17, 18, 17, 18.
Check it out by yourself, take it down there. This one I'm gonna put it on hinges eventually, so we can have it down here.
Alright, so I got the feeder and the water in there. I gotta pull this off. It's gotta go all the way up there. So it keeps the fence from tipping over. So it's there, and then I got a spot for once that heifer has her calf, for her calf to go, got that pen made. So, should be set for a while. I'm gonna go show you guys Grandpa's new tractor. Stay tuned. So here's Grandpa's new tractor. John Deere 301A. It's got a loader on it, and then it's a gas. They used to have a backhoe back here, but then they took it off. So we're just basically using it for feeding and other little jobs with a PTO, because it's nice. The reverse is a little different on this. You can keep it in any one of the 8 gears, and then you can just hit this, pull this back, and or if you're this one or that one, you pull back and it just goes instantly into reverse. So you got the loader knobs. Had a little issue with the carburetor, but fixed that. Runs good now. So there's I don't know when my brother's gonna put the video out on Durf's Outdoors, but I shot a 6-pointer, or a 7 it was. I'll put it at the end of the video, a picture of it. And then I'll keep you guys posted with that. And then I did get memberships now. So there's a membership that's $2, a membership that's $3, and a membership that's $5. So if you guys would like to see the videos earlier, or any of the other stuff that it's got. But then that's about it for today's video. I'll put a picture up at the end, and then I already did a skull mount on it. I'll put a picture up of that too. So thanks for watching today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.